This time we're going to do a multiplication computation strategy called the split strategy. It's 2-digit times 2-digit. Let's see what our question is. It is 38 multiplied by 26 equals I don't know. So let's do our planning. We're going to do a mad T because this involves multiplication. 38 multiplied by 26. And our answer is going to be bigger than 38, and it's going to be bigger than 26. Okay, so it might have each of the 26 children did 38 math sums. How many sums did they do all together? Could be our question, maybe. Okay, now we're going to do an estimation. So I'm going to estimate by rounding my 38 up to 40. So I'm going to go 40 and I'm going to round my 26 up to 30. 4 times 3 is 12 and I move up 2 place values. So it could be 1,200. But because I rounded both of them up, I know that that's going to be greater than my actual answer. Now, what if I rounded both 38 up but 26 down? That would be closer to the answer, but it's probably going to be less than my answer. So 40 times 20. 4 times 2 is 8, but it's up 2 place values. So that's 800. Okay. So I think my answer is going to be somewhere between 800 and 1,200. Okay. Is my answer going to be odd or even? So I've got an even number multiplied by an even number. And so the answer is going to be even. Any even number multiplied by any type of number is going to be even. Okay, so I've planned for my checking for later. Let's now do the split strategy. Now, in the past, if we did this one with the area model, it would have looked like this. 30 plus 8 and 20 plus 6, and we would have divided it up like this. We would have done 30 times 20, 30 times 6, 20 times 8, and 8 times 6. Now, the error that a lot of people make for these equations is they do this. They go 38 times 26. I'm going to multiply 30 by 20 and 8 times 6. So if they did that, which I know a lot of you are going to do if you're not careful, you'll be saying 30 times 20, you'll be working that part out, and then you do 8 times 6 and you'll work this part out. And then you will not actually be including these two parts of the model. That's why this is really important that we know the area model before we do this particular strategy so that we don't make that common error. Please don't do that. Okay. And that's why estimation also helps us. So let's go, I'm going to do each one in a different colour so I remember. I'm going to do 30 times 20. And then I'm going to do 30 times 6. And then I'm going to do 8 times 20. Oops. And then I'm going to do 8 times 6. Okay, so now I've planned for my calculations. I'm going to do 3 times 2 is 6, but it's up 2 place values. So that will be 600. I'm going to do 3 times 6 is 18, but it's up 1 place value. Then I've got 8 times 2 is 16, but it's up one place value. And 8 times 6 is 48. Now we add all of those together. So our vertical algorithm is very important to know as well, isn't it? So I'm going to do 6 plus 4 is 10, because they're friendly numbers, plus, so, and I'm carry my 1, and that's 18. Then I've got 6, 7, 8, 9 in my hundreds. So my answer is 988. And let's see if we are on the right track. So is our answer greater than those two numbers? Yes. Is our answer between 800 and 1200? Yes. Is our answer even? Yes. I'm pretty happy with this answer, so I'm going to write it up here. 988. And I'm ready to move to the next question.